I had a question though while we're here, because I talk a lot on floors. I lean people towards the floating floors, because in years past, the mastics to glue down wood floors has been less than desirable. But I know there's some new stuff out there that seems to be doing a great job.
Come a long way, you're right.
So talk to me about some of these moisture protection ones, because we got a lot of issues with moisture coming up through the concrete and the glues come loose, but these new ones are able to handle that.
So we've got different brands that do different things. They even have some that have sound proof in them. So it even works with the sound.
Really,
so, yeah, yeah, it definitely gets rid of that. So we have some that obviously they use for the upstairs where there's no moisture problem, you know. So they have the lower. We've got like a good, better, best.
Right.
And so obviously those don't have as much. They have a little bit, but they don't have as much of the moisture barrier. Obviously, you wouldn't need it. But the ones that you actually put on the concrete, they have they're getting better about higher, because of we've got so much concrete here in Texas that everything is a glue down.
Right.
So obviously, other than our floating floors, but it's important that they do know what glue goes with what wood, because different woods require different, different acclimations, but also different glues. And some have a little bit less tolerance to water.
So don't pick it by price, pick it by what you're doing.
Exactly. The species of wood is what's more important, and obviously how it's being applied.
Okay. So I saw a display that Floor and Decor had, where they had one of the glues in a thing of water.
Right.
And I gotta tell you, that one impressed me, because like I said, keeping out that moisture, that's a killer on those wood floors.
You're gonna spend a little more, but it's worth it in the end. You're not gonna have the cupping, you're not gonna have an issue with moisture whatsoever.
Yeah.
It's really important to get the right glue, for sure.
Hey, for more quick tips like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can get there by going to thipro.com.